Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to this new update for Ethereum. Now at the moment we're looking at Ethereum making some moves to the downside. Of course there's an influence regarding Bitcoin. There's a lot of hype behind Ethereum merge and all, and I did say in the Discord as well some few days ago, like a couple of days ago, nearly 5 days ago, that I don't think this merge is any good for Ethereum. As a matter of fact, you know what, I'm just gonna cut straight to the point and just not waste your time and tell you why this is bad. Okay, so the left shoulder, the head here, and you have the right shoulder right over there. So that's a huge head and shoulder, which is actually a bearish pattern. So let's do a quick go for the head and shoulders, just like that, and pattern right here. So they just show me the shampoo. In my country we do have a head and shoulder shampoo anyway. So this is how it looks like. Okay, it's just like someone it's a pattern that looks like a real head and shoulder of a human being. So this is how it looks like, and you're gonna have the neckline in between and the target that is actually gonna come down to. So this is gonna be your neckline right over here, somewhere here, which you are currently breaking out of. And after you break out of this is what I'm looking for. There could be just a small retest to the upside, go down, back test a little bit, and then drop. The technical target out of the head and shoulder takes you from there to there, and we're looking for Ethereum to actually come all the way down to nearly this price level, which is going to be $1,084 or $1,082. So I don't think this is going to be the end of the bottom of it. I do believe that if things can even get worse and go all the way down to $900 and even try to lose $900, but at the moment that's out of the topic. The main topic is the head and shoulder, and you're coming down to $1,084, and that's pretty much it for this update. And remember one thing, guys: always buy the rumors, sell the news. This was the rumor for Ethereum 2.0 merge. Okay, so that was the rumor. This is where the news happened. Sell the news. That's pretty much it. That's how I can summarize this simple merge bullshit that they actually throw out there. But I do know, don't get me wrong, the merge is actually a good update, but in the future, that effect can happen after the crashes to the downside happens. The market situation is not good. Inflation rates are coming out, so be very, very careful. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.